Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
What's happening?
Oh, I missed.
What's happening?
Run! Do whatever you can to block the door. I'll go for help.
Lock the door? What? What's out there?
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
Dementors! Dementors! Dementors!
That's again.
That wind mist! It's cycling towards Harry! It's making it worse!
None of us is hiding Sirius Black under our cloaks.
Go!
I think I don't know what that was.
What? Send the Dementors away. I saw them across the way.
Listen, Harry, they've captured Sirius. Any minute the Dementors are going to perform the kills.
Kill him.
No, it's worse. Much worse. They're going to suck out his soul. And Master, you've got to stop them. They've got the wrong man.
It's true, sir. Sirius is innocent. Scabbers.
Who've done it?
It's my rat, sir. It's not really a rat. It really was a rat. It's my brother Percy's rat. And they gave him out.
Because we know the truth. Please believe us.
Infamous animation.
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
Asked Shojino.
Child's voice, never honest and true. Meaningful to those who've got to listen.
Mysterious thing, time.
Powerful, when metal lives.
When did this movie suddenly decide to grow some balls?
But of course, we talked about
For this last child,
3 out of 4.
consequences are too ghastly to discuss. Few since tonight, more than one innocent life is made. 3 turns. Oh, by the way, coming down, I find no trace of my steps in your lines placed here. Black.
To your basic Oxford.
Oxford.
Yeah, well, that's all right. Listen, the good news is you won that 65.50. Here, let's maybe the other end. Go. Altogether, $7,550.
Yeah.
Not a bad round at all. We'll be back. There's more to give away here. No one should worry. We're not talking to anyone in particular.
Broadcasting is brought to you by the following.
Now Monarchy provides more services for your car, like our $14.95 oil change. Monarchy, right service, right price.
That wraps up this part. That's all. Thank you.